What is up, guys? I am back on this 24-foot Yamaha. I just put a couple coats of gel coat on this first part, actually a good section of this actually, and I am down to all the way down there, down here. And I've got most of the gel coat on, actually, more than I thought. And I've got this here, this little back section left, probably about 4 feet. And damn it, this gun kicked off on me. I'm gonna try to clean it out, but I don't think that that's gonna work out real well to clean these little pinholes and whatnot. Oh look, I've got one clean one. Oh look, those pinholes are good actually, look at that. Either way, this thing's pretty damn clogged up. And I might just go buy another one. I'm going to let this one soak a bit and clean it out. I just cleaned it out, which sucks. I put a little too much hardener in. I want this stuff to kick off, but it's freaking 100 degrees, so that was too much. Anyway, it's looking pretty good under here. Looking pretty good. I gotta go get a new gun. Wish me luck. Thank you, guys.